Good afternoon, everyone. This is Larry Carson and Carl Anderson from MarineMax of Charleston, and today we would like to show you the Scout 380 LXF. This particular boat is powered with triple 425 Yamahas, and as you can see in the profile shot, it's a beautiful boat. We have the swim platform deployed on it currently, and I will walk over to the boat, and as I do, we will let Carl take over and show you some of the great features of this particular boat.
Thanks, Larry. So starting here in the cockpit of the 380 LXF, as we did mention, we do have the swim patio deployed on the to the port side. This is a powered swim patio, so just with the push of a button, it'll raise back up. We've got a nice handle here. We've got a ladder that's seamlessly tucked away. Quite a bit of space to get in and out of the water. Got cup holders along here, and then you got a nice seamless look along the gunnels as well. Got a nice stern seat aft, and just behind it, very large live well. Moving forward, we've got a great aft facing seat that's convertible. The innovations and the technology advancements from Scout are one of the many things that set them apart. So here we've got a wet bar sink, a Kenyan grill, and a cutting board, along with various forms of storage. And then when I put the seat back in the down position, I've got a nice swim step here, and I can get to the sunroof. Or if you want to put an upper station on this boat, you can do that and access it easily there as well. We've also got articulating rocket launchers on the hardtop, currently in the up position, now in the down position. Patented design from Scout.
And the hardtop will come out as well, guys. That's why the articulating rocket launchers, because there is a hard top here that will extend out and give you shade over the back end of the boat. Okay, Carl.
So here at the helm, we've got twin 16-inch touchscreens from Garmin. We've got Helm AC, digital gauges from Yamaha, joystick controls from Yamaha as well, digital starts and stops, of course digital throttle and shift. Got 3 helm seats. Each would have their own adjustable bolsters and armrests for all 3 passengers. Access to systems down below. This particular boat does not have the Seakeeper gyro stabilizer, but that is certainly an option. More speakers forward and built into the hardtop, fully enclosed tempered glass windshield, and then of course C-zone switching above the dash. We'll go down into the head area. Lots of headroom on this boat. Even as you get forward into what is the convertible dinette area, this would be your dining space, which also has filler cushions for your sleeping area. Got a large flat screen touch screen, or excuse me, television screen here. Good natural light. With the whole side windows. And then your utility space. We've got a single burner cooktop, pull out fridge, microwave, stereo head unit. You do have a wet head. We've got a shower wand, large mirror, sink, and of course, porcelain toilet. Lots of room for storage as well. So you can do some long distance traveling very comfortably with this boat.
Is that a cedar line cabinet?
It sure is. You got hang up hooks for changes of clothes, So one of the best areas on this boat, along with Scout's 355 and their 420, you got the nice forward chaise lounge, adjustable armrests. You got a nice console area where you can store your phones or other items, but also serves as 2 cup holders for drinks. Very comfortable ergonomic back, nice contoured seat, gives you good lumbar support. Wide amount of lounge space, very comfortable area to ride, but you're still safe with the way the lounge area is positioned beneath the gunnels. Lots of storage. Storage for your bow filler cushion. Storage for a swim boarding ladder. And then also forward, we've got a powered convertible table that serves multiple sources. Currently in the down position, Larry's got it moving upward, so we can stop when it gets flush mounted, add flush with the seating, add a filler cushion for a really nice large sun pad, or we can bring it all the way into the upright position, and now we've got a nice space for some alfresco dining. Beneath that table, we've also got some area for storage that's actually quite deep. So really a great and versatile space here in the bow of the 380 LXF. You can accommodate multiple guests with a lot of surface area for drinks, plates, and other food items. Great picnic spot. We've got cup holders here, a lot of non-skid for various devices, a stereo remote, USB outlets, large JL audio speakers. And then moving forward, you've got several rod holders forward. Of course, your anchor windlass and foot pedal controls for the windlass, in addition to what you have at the dash. Beautiful boat from the Scouts, the 380 LXF. We'll have one here in Charleston soon. For Larry Carson, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island. We'll see you on the water.